This is our overview for module 2. This will probably be the last overview video I'm going to do because all the rest of the modules are going to be about the same. So module 2, I am going to open the overview really quick. This is where this video is going to be. It talks about everything we're going to do in this. Now, kinetics is probably new for most of you. You probably haven't done anything like this unless you took AP chemistry. But what we're going to do is talk about how fast reactions move, why they move that quickly, and how to speed them up or slow them down, and all kinds of things like that. So there is some math involved in this. There is also some interpreting graphs involved in this. But these are kind of all of our 8 things that you're going to be learning and tested on exam 1 for this module. So the lecture videos and notes are very similar to module 1 in that they have the videos broken down into smaller clips for the guided notes that I will provide you and all of that. The assignments, we have a kinetics assignment on active chemistry similar to the one from module 1, and then you also have a worksheet in this module. So I'm going to show you kind of how both of those work. Active chemistry is, let's make this how you see it. Our second assignment is module 2. This one has 31 points. Again, you get 3 tries for everything. If you're struggling with one, please let me or your tutor know, and we are happy to help you. And then we have the worksheet. So I'm going to kind of skip ahead. This is where all of your videos are. Guided notes packet, videos. Again, the filled in notes guide, but please don't just use that for your notes because one, they're probably not going to make sense unless you watch some of the videos, especially if this is new to you. And second, because working through the problems and writing them down is really going to help you understand what you're doing. So I highly recommend doing when I say pause, try to work through the problem, and then check your answer with the video, but that is completely up to you. Hopefully these kind of help you out. This is our link to active chemistry, or you can go straight to active chemistry. You do need to mark as done in order to move through the entire module. So when you are done with this, remember, hit mark as done. And then I know I can put your score in as well. And then the worksheet. So it gives you 2 attempts just in case something goes wrong uploading the first time. And I tell you exactly what I want you to do. So you have 3 options. You can either print off the worksheet and then upload your work as like a PDF. You could show your work on plain lined paper and again, upload that as a PDF as long as you clearly number the problems. And you could download like the Google Doc as a PDF and do it on your computer if you have a touch screen and then upload that. Notice I keep saying upload as a PDF. In order for me to really look at all of your materials, it needs to be a PDF. So if you do not know how to save something as a PDF or upload it as a PDF, I have 2 videos, one for Apple, one for Android, in order for you to figure out how to do that. Because like I said, PDFs are just going to make it way easier for me to grade and check. Now, when I say grade, what I'm actually doing is going in to see, did you attempt to do this homework assignment? The worksheets are just complete or incomplete. So if you attempted and did your best on most or all of the worksheet, you will get all of the points for it. If you did not even attempt to solve the problems, or you just maybe typed in numbers and didn't actually do anything, and I will check. So if you just write a bunch of meaningless stuff, you will not get credit for it. But that's how you get your points for the worksheet. Now, then how do you know if you did it correctly? So once you're done and you upload this, okay, so upload right there, submit your assignment, then you'll get your points for it. I do have to go in and mark complete and give you your points for it, but you will get your points for it. Then when you are done, I'm going to go back to the modules here. Once you have viewed your lecture materials, done your active chemistry assignment, and then submitted your worksheet, once these are checked off, so like I can mark this as done, if I go into it, and then the worksheet, once you've submitted it, then a new module will open right here, and it has the key to the worksheet in it. So sometimes I get behind on grading, and I can't, especially when we're only in 8 weeks, I can't get you feedback on that worksheet as quickly as I want to, so that you could use it to actually study for the exam. So what I want you to do when you are done with this is open that module, look at the key, and correct your worksheet so you know what you did right, what you did wrong, and how to fix it before you get to the exam. If you are still confused on something that you did wrong, that you should bring to me in office hours or to your tutor and ask questions, or via email. If you just want to say, hey, I didn't realize what I did wrong on this, send me an email, but make sure that you submit and then check those answers first. They will be right there for you. And if something doesn't make sense, please let me know. But that is the entire module. There's again extra practice and videos at the end for when you have questions or getting ready. A lot of them are Khan Academy videos or like crash course. I really like this crash course one. So if you need a little bit of help, those are there for you as well. So good luck.